there, I'm going to be searching for that thing in Java Edition. I did this with my friend at Bedrock, and yes, this appears to be the same area, same sea. Yeah, that's like a village over there. Okay, I shouldn't be running around doing nothing. I just run off. I'm hearing walking noises, but I'm not walking. Creepy, but I'm gonna keep going. Just barely. Yeah, I don't trust anything anymore. Okay, I really don't trust this. I really don't trust this at all. Oh man, I'm so freaked out right now. Okay, need to be a brave wolf. Turn around. Little do I realize it could be coming up behind me. What is that noise? Oh, is that the turtles? Turtles. I like these. It's probably just my imagination. Okay, I am very freaked out right now. Okay, I'm literally freaked out. Gonna try this glitch that my friend told me to try. Just saying Alex. And I'm getting freaked out. I'm getting freaked out and I'm not even gonna post it.